Did you know that over 60% of people in India under the age of 30 face at least one major hair issue, whether it's premature graying, hair fall, dandruff, or itchy scalp? We've all been there. But here's the thing, every product out there seems to solve just one issue at a time. You have to buy a different bottle for each concern, and even then, you are unsure whether it's actually working. But what if there was a way to solve it all with just one solution? Hi everyone, this is Palak Pataria presenting before you Bhutani Bestie, your one-stop solution for all hair concerns, powered by nature. Let me take you back to where it all began. It all started with a little girl in 6th grade who discovered her first grey hair. She felt different, too young to be dealing with something even her classmates couldn't understand. But for her father, it was more than just a strand of grey hair. It was a reflection of his own past because he had faced the same issue in his 20s, and now seeing it in his daughter ignited a fire in him. He couldn't stand watching his daughter struggle, especially when every product in the market was packed with mineral oils, sulfates, parabens, and all the harsh chemicals we've been taught to trust but only harm our hair. One so called almond oil was over 90% of mineral oil and had barely any traces of almonds. That was his breaking point. He didn't buy a solution, he became the solution. No labs, no chemicals, just a dad in the kitchen experimenting on Ayurveda and researching on natural herbs. After many trials, his hard work began to pay off. Premature graying stopped, her hair became healthier and shinier, and that girl was me. We don't believe in fancy labels or fake herbal marketing. Our products are 100% clean with zero sulfates, parabens, silicones, synthetic color, or artificial fragrance. Instead, we are powered by what truly works, pure herbs, essential oils, and nature's best botanicals, which are blended carefully for real and visible results. Because we know that you don't need 5 products for 5 problems. You need one product that does it all. And that's exactly what Botani Bestie is, a one single effective and natural solution. Our customers saw visible results in their hair health and trusted us enough to reorder not once but repeatedly. Why? Because they finally found something that actually works without the inflated prices or the harsh chemicals. They trusted our journey, and now we invite you to begin yours the Botani Bestie way. Let's be real. Who has just one concern these days? It's never just dryness, it's dryness and dandruff or oiliness and hair fall. But most products out there seem to tackle with just one issue at a time. And that's exactly why we created Botani Bestie. To simplify things, one product that actually does it all. Clean, balanced and herbal because your hair deserves better. We have built a strong foundation with Botani Bestie, but now we need your support to take this brand to a next level, to grow, to reach more families, and to spread awareness about the harsh chemicals people use unknowingly in their everyday life. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Together, let's heal hearts and hair the Botani Bestie way.